Today we will show you how to download and install the Pixel's first point-of-sale software from our website. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type the following URL in the address bar: www.pixelsfirst.co.uk. Once the website opens, click on the Free Point-of-Sale Software option in the menu bar. On this page, you will see two software options. 1. Retail Store Management Software. 2. Takeaway Restaurant Management Software. If your business is related to a retail store, such as a convenience store, beauty salon and spa, off-license store, plumber shop, grocery store, cash and carry, shoe stores, vape store, jewelers, gift shop, bakery or electric store. Then choose the first option, and that is Retail Store Management Software. Now, click on the Download button under your selected software. The download will start immediately. After download, open the folder that contains Setup file. Normally, the setup file is downloaded in Downloads folder. Now, double-click on Pixel's first retail setup file to start the application installation process. Now follow the step-by-step process by clicking Next buttons to complete installation. When you click on Install button, the Windows Defender Smart screen will appear. Now click on More info, then click Run Anyway. The installation will complete in a few moments. Once application is installed, this screen will appear. If you want the Pixel's first POS application to be launched after installation, then tick this box. Otherwise, uncheck it and click the Finish button. Once the software installed, Pixel's first retail application icon will be automatically created at the desktop. To launch the software, double-click on this icon. Upon opening for the first time, the software will ask for your business details. Carefully fill in the form as shown on the screen. Section 1. Enter your company or store name, address, postcode, telephone, VAT number, receipt message, web address, select region, add logo. Section 2. The first user should be the super administrator. Enter the details of your first employee, employee name, address, contact number. Some POS terminals are linked with swipe card, so here you need to enter swipe card number. But if you do not have this feature in your POS terminal, then you can add here simply 001. 4-digit password. Note the password information. Which password used at login? Super administrator role will not change. Write comments and upload picture if you want. You can add more employees later if needed. After filling in all the information, click on the Register button. A new window will appear where you can review the information you've entered. The next step, click on the Activate Trial button. A login window will appear. Select your username. Enter 4-digit password. Then click on Login. Congratulations! The software is now fully set up and ready for use. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel and like this video.